Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
The difference between vision and mission is what? We did summarise yesterday, or come to some sort of conclusion as to what mission was, and we said, what? I think it was you, Mike, that said
what you had to achieve.
I think what you said is what we are doing, which is exactly really which is really what it is.
The mission is the how, and the vision is the why.
Or the imaginary picture of where it is.
No. Because there's no strategy in vision and mission. They're both what? They're both asking the what question.
Okay.
But what questions are they asking? It relates to this, that's why I've mentioned it.
Yeah, mission is.
I've kind of given it away, really.
Mission's
The mission where you want to go to, isn't it?
your vision.
What do you want to achieve?
This is how
vision
people.
is your journey.
This is why some people think it's interchangeable.
Yeah.
No, the vision is what?
It's where you want to go to.
It's where you're going,
Yes, it's what you see.
and the mission is.
Where you are now, or what you.
When people say
How
to
you
you,
get
when people say to you, "What's your mission?" What do they mean?
What are you trying?
What are you doing? What are you trying to do?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you about? Yeah, what do you do day to day? What? So our mission is to fulfill customer needs. That's a here and now statement, isn't it?
Yeah.
Our mission is to make sure we achieve our targets today, this week, this month. These are mission statements. Mission statements in some companies would be what? Just give some examples.
To generate profits by inspiring customers to loyalty through quality service.
Oh my god.
That's ours.
There you go.
That's ours, yeah.
That's ours, by the way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, fine.
Right.
Say it again.
Go
Say
on,
it again.
Change it.
It's very
To
general.
generate profits by inspiring customer loyalty through quality service.
Okay.
It's put sustainable profits now, isn't it? I don't agree.
Well,
with
Yeah.
it used to be value
Used to
added
be,
service.
yeah.
it. I don't agree. I don't agree with it. I said that before, but yeah.
No,
Okay, so that's your mission statement. What's the vision statement?
There is
we
one.
don't
There
know
is
one.
one.
Ah,
It's just frightening.
yeah.
Because you think the vision has got to be more
The vision comes first.
first, yeah.
The vision has
Where
to
do you
come
wanna be?
first. Otherwise, what you're doing is you're being a Chris on a bike, and you're riding the bike in accordance with protocol, in accordance with the standards of the mission, but you end up over here. I didn't want to get over here. Have a temporary one, if nothing else. Yeah, this is why people delay on doing some of these things. It's because it's going to be too. Oh, I'm not sure if I can use that word. Shall I? And then you don't do it. Just do it. 90% there, remember?
Yeah.
And then you can adjust it and tweak it later. So the vision statements is future tense or present tense?
Future.
Future tense.
Future.
It's certainly not past tense, is it?
No.
No.
The mission is
Correct.
present.
Sorry?
The mission is present.
Mission is present tense. Present tense, present state. So what you're asking now is, does present state equal or align with your mission? Are you doing and achieving today that which is in accordance with the mission?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.